Okay guys, so I'm back and here's part 2 of rigging and animating. Okay, right at last episode I ran pose mode and did this, okay? So yeah, but so now I'm gonna go show you one more stuff that you can do in pose mode. Like what if you don't like this? So you wanna reset it all. All you have to do is click A and then up here go clear transform. You can do all location, rotation, or scale. Okay, and so yeah, okay, so if I don't like this big hand, but I okay, if I don't like the big hand but I want to keep this rotation, I can just go clear only scale and it keeps the rotation. See, it's super nice. Okay, but so that's pose mode. But now I'm gonna go show you animating. Okay, so in Blender you might have noticed there's this animation tab. Okay, I don't use it as much. Okay, unless I'm working with a camera. Right now, I'm not. I don't think I'm working with a camera. Oh no, I am because this is the same. But the sample scene that I gave you doesn't have a camera in it, so you're gonna have to manually add it. But it's fine. Okay. Right, I'm gonna go use the layout mode because this is the one I mainly use anyway. So you see this bar that I just pulled up? All you have to do is click right here to this line and pull it up. It's just that simple. It's so nice and easy to just pull up this animation tab. Okay, like yeah, okay. But so yeah, now I'll go over this. You see the slider? This is where the keyframe is, where your keyframe is going to be. We're gonna set a keyframe. Uh, and then right here, start is where the animation is gonna start. The first frame of your animation. Right here is where your slider is gonna be. Where your slider is. It's root. That's really it. And end is where it says the end of it. So I'm not gonna do a super long one. I'm just gonna go with 50. Right, and with this you can zoom in to go stretch out your animation to like make it look better, so you can see all the little keyframes that go into your animation. Okay, but so now I'll go over the animation now. Okay, so yeah, okay, so to animate this rig, all you have to do is go into pose mode, which I showed you last episode. Okay, and uh and add a keyframe. Okay, but so how I like to animate is with this button. It's called auto keying. Whenever you move a keyframe, okay, like whenever you move a keyframe like this, so if I want to animate something like this, all I would have to do that is that instead of manually adding everything. Okay, so now I'll be like, oh yeah, I like this, yippee. Okay, so now when I play it, okay, it does that. And also, by the way, the keybind to playing is space. Okay, which you might have figured out already because it's not being it's a pretty annoying keybind. Okay, but yeah. So now, see, I animated that. It's bad because I wasn't taking time to do it. But see, that's a quick animation. That's basically animation. Okay. Yeah, that's all of animation. Okay. So yeah, hmm yeah, and then also there's also in Puzzle there's this x-axis mirror, which is what it says it is. It's like the mirror in weight painting, but like for posing. So I can do this, and yeah, okay, see, okay, okay, but yeah, see. So now then, if I want to get rid of keyframes, okay. Oh, also if you want to manually insert a keyframe, all you have to do is press I. Okay, yeah, but then you have to go sift through all this if you want. So I just prefer doing the auto keying. But yeah, so yeah, that's I automatically do it, which it's really nice if you want to only do a specific one. But yeah, I don't. I'd say auto keying is just nice for my needs. So yeah, but so let's say I want to get rid of all my other keyframes. Okay, I'll just go select all this and press delete and delete keyframes. Yeah, and now No, I'll go select it. I have to go select all my bones. Okay, and I'll go delete them all. Okay, and so now they're right here. But you see how it's still in this pose. That's because it's the default setting now. Since there's no keyframes, there's no difference to what pose it is in. Okay, so yeah, so that's animating. But you see how animating, it could be fine only doing rigs. Okay, and you see, and you've probably seen all these other animations of like of uh, of like of like moving blocks and stuff, maybe. Okay, I know I have, since I took a class on this, and my teacher's obsessed with stuff like that. But so yeah, okay. So what if you only want to animate the like what if you only want to animate like a cube? See, I have a cube, and like what if I want to animate it? Okay, see, I could go animate its position, so I'll put it over there, do that. Okay, and now it'll do that. And since I have auto keying on, I didn't need it to manually add a keyframe. Okay? And so there's also modifiers. So if I add an array modifier and go to count, see this button? That means that you can animate it. And since I have auto animation, I can just do that and it'll automatically do it for me. But if you didn't have it on, all you had to do was click it twice again to add a new keyframe for it. It's that simple. It's really nice. Okay. But yeah, that's that. So you can animate cubes. But yeah, anything with this little dot by it, it can be animated. And since with the new 2.9 update, basically anything can be. You can animate particles, or you can animate the background color. You can animate rotation, scale, location. Okay, but one of the only things you cannot animate though is individual vertices, which is very sad. Okay, but hopefully we'll be getting that update soon. But yeah, so that's animation though. Bye. For now.